Hi everyone, welcome back to NJ Talks Insights. So, if you're an immigrant in the UK and struggling to find a job or don't even know where to start, this video is for you. In this video, I will explain step by step how immigrants can land jobs in the UK in 2026, including CV tips, the right sectors to apply for, and what UK employers actually expect from you. Very important, before applying for jobs, you must understand immigration and visa rules. I have linked my UK Immigration 2026 and visa videos in the description. Watch those first. Before applying for any job, the first question is, are you legally allowed to work? Different visas have different work rights. Some visas allow full-time work, some part-time, and some don't allow work at all. Applying for jobs without understanding your visa conditions can waste time and even cause legal problems. That's why I always recommend watching my UK immigration and visa videos first. One of the biggest mistakes immigrants make is using a non-UK style CV. CVs should be 1 to 2 pages maximum. No photos, no date of birth. Clear skill and experience. Simple layout, no fancy designs. UK employers care more about skills and experience, not long personal details. Tailor your CV for each job. Sending the same CV everywhere rarely works. Let's talk about where immigrants actually get jobs in the UK. Some of the strongest sectors in 2026 include healthcare and care work, IT and tech roles, construction and skilled trades, hospitality and logistics, customer service and retail. These sectors hire immigrants regularly and often value skills over UK experience. UK employers don't just look at your CV, they look at how you communicate. They expect good communication skills, honesty about experience, punctuality and professionalism, willingness to learn even. English isn't perfect, confidence and clarity matters more. Here are the common mistakes that stop immigrants from getting jobs. First is applying without checking the visa work rights. Second, using non-UK CV formats. Third, applying only online and never networking. Fourth, expecting the immediate results. Job hunting in the UK takes time, rejection is very normal. So getting a job in the UK as an immigrant is possible if you follow the right steps. Before applying, make sure you fully understand UK immigration and visa rules. Watch my UK Immigration 2026 and UK visa videos first. Links are in the description. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it.